Hi guys! Today we are going to see how you can permanently delete your Google account. Whether you have an old account you don't use anymore or just want to erase your digital footprint, we will show you how to do it safely. So let's get started. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of backing up your data first and then the actual steps to permanently delete your account. This method works the same way whether you are on a computer or using a mobile phone. Step 1. Back up your data. Step 2. How to permanently delete your account. Before you hit that delete button, it is highly recommended to save your data. Once you delete the account, you cannot recover your emails, photos, or Drive files. Go to takeout.google.com and sign in with your Google account you want to delete. Here, you will see a list of all your Google data. By default, everything is selected. You can uncheck the ones you don't need. Once done, scroll to the bottom and click Next Step. In the next page, you can select transfer options, frequency, file type, and more. Choose how you want to receive your data, and finally, click Create Export. Google will email you a link to download your files. Wait for this to finish before proceeding to deletion. Now that your data is safe, here's how to delete the account for good. You can do this from any browser on your computer or phone. Go to myaccount.google.com and log in with your Google account you want to delete. On the left menu, or top menu on mobile, click on Data and Privacy. Scroll all the way down to the section called More Options. Click on Delete your Google account. You will be asked to enter your password to confirm it's really you. Read the warning carefully. Google will list all the services, Gmail, YouTube, photos that will be deleted. Scroll to the bottom, check the 2 acknowledgement boxes to confirm you understand, and click Delete Account.
So that's it!
You now know how to safely back up your data and permanently delete your Google account. Just remember, this action is permanent, so make sure you have everything you need before you click that final button. Thanks for watching! We hope this tutorial was helpful. Check out our channel for more simple tech guides. See you in the next video!